Hi everyone, nice to meet you again. Now in this video I want to continue talking about modal verbs. In this video I will tell you about permission and obligation. Okay, the first is permission. The modal verbs that we use are may, can, could, and must. Actually, we have three kinds of permission. The first is asking for permission, giving permission, and refusing permission or prohibition. Okay, asking for permission. May I skip breakfast today, Mom? I am in a hurry. So this is asking for permission to our mother. Can I join your team? I need to have a practice. So, what is the difference between may and can? May is more formal. In this example, talking to our mother, surely we should be polite. So it is more polite. While in the second example, can I join your team? It is between friends. So it is less polite. And then giving permission. You may have a rest for a while before continuing the exercise. So the first person gives the permission to the second person. Giving permission is also for or can be for the third person. In the second example, the children may stay outside as it is not scorching. So the children is the third person. We can enjoy all the dishes here as the host told us. Can, and this is may. When it is in positive, the difference between may and can is not the same, and when it is in asking for permission. In giving permission, it is not a matter of politeness or formality, but it is a matter of authority. So we use may if the person who gives the permission has authority to allow, to permit someone to do something. While can, the person who gives permission only passes the authority that the other person has already given. So in this example, the one who has authority is the host who has the disease. So we here only passes the permission or the allowance to others. And then refusing permission or prohibition. You may not smoke in this place. So the same as you are not allowed to smoke here. People must not have gathering during this pandemic. May not and must not are the same. We can use may not or must not. So it's up to you. There is no difference in meaning. Okay, the next is obligation. We have must and have to. You must limit your time for online games. So it is a command or it is an instruction. I must take care of my eyes by letting them rest from gadgets. So in this case, the first person advises him or herself. Advice, but it is stronger advice. Why it is stronger advice? Because I hope that you still remember when I talk about advice in the first video, we use should. When we use should, there is still possibility that you may not do. You may not take the action, but if you use must, it is more important, or it is necessary to do that. And then how about have to? Children have to get appropriate education on how to take care of their body. So what is the difference between have to and must? This is in positive sentences. The difference is, for have to, the obligation is more general, while in must, while if you use must, the obligation is more personal. So here the children have to, it means that any children have to get appropriate education. Sometimes it can be based on appointment or agreement or regulation. And then the second, we have to solve this problem as soon as possible. Strong recommendation. So it seems that the first person who gives the obligation insists more. So it is not only about advice or recommendation, but stronger than that, because this is very important. And surely this is more general. Okay, but now compare these sentences. In questions, surely the difference between must and have to is not the same when it is in positive sentences. Must I wear shoes? Must I wear shoes? Oh yes, you may not wear sandals. This can happen or can be found in an office or at school, where surely wearing sandals is not allowed. So everyone must wear shoes. That's why, must I wear shoes? Oh yes, you may not. Yes, you must wear sandals. You may not wear, sorry. Yes, you must wear shoes. You may not wear sandals. And then the second, do I have to wear shoes? Yes, you must. No, you don't have to. Okay, for example, the situation of this dialogue or this sentence is, for example, you ask to your parents, you and your parents wants to visit sorry visit someone, and then if the answer is yes, you must, it means that the meeting is more formal. But if the answer is no, you don't have to, the meeting is less formal. Yeah, so I hope that you do understand how to differentiate the use of must and have to, in especially in positive sentences, because it shows the meaning, it shows the different meaning between must and have to. Okay, and also for the permission, these must and have to in obligation and then can be must, all are used in daily chatting, daily conversation. Hopefully that by practicing more and more, you can become more understand about modal verbs. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.